Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by verifying the stabilizer's VA rating and surge capacity match your fridge. This prevents underprotection. Once done, power down and unplug the fridge for safety, and position the stabilizer near a ventilated spot to avoid heat buildup. Make sure the stabilizer is plugged into the wall socket firmly, then insert the fridge power plug into the stabilizer's dedicated outlet. This first connection routes power through voltage regulation and protection. Now focus on grounding and controlled start. You must connect both the stabilizer and fridge to the same earth point so fault currents have a clear path. This reduces shock and noise. Next, power the stabilizer and wait for its stabilization indicator or timer. This avoids compressor strain. Once the stabilizer reports stable output, turn the fridge on. Observe initial voltage and current, listening for normal compressor engagement, and make sure indicator lights behave as expected. Finish by verifying the stabilizer delivers steady output voltage and the fridge runs without unusual noise or vibration. This confirms proper protection. If a trip or failure happens, immediately switch off, then inspect wiring polarity, ground connection, and whether the stabilizer rating is adequate. Mismatches cause frequent trips. Also check vents for dust. Overheating mimics electrical faults. If problems persist, consult a qualified electrician. Do not bypass protection, because you risk damage and safety hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.